My Xiaomi vacuum mop kept dying in the middle of the cleaning session, so I figured it was time for getting a new battery. As this is a Chinese appliance, I got into AliExpress to get a replacement. As you will see, this is almost the exact same as the original battery. The difference is that this is a 6800 battery, so it holds almost triple of what the original battery does. This assembly is pretty straightforward. With a simple Phillips screwdriver and making sure your vacuum is off, flip it upside down and then you will remove 5 big screws and the 2 screws retain the swipers. Now there's the original battery, and as you can see it has a double-sided tape. So you will need a double-sided tape for the new battery to be snugly fit in the battery compartment. There's a masking tape, it is easy to take off. And then the battery connector was a pain to remove. I don't know why it took so long, but I just had to pry it as hard as I could. So you gotta be really careful, just to not snap the connector off. So I got the battery replacement, and as you can see, it has a double-sided tape. It's another double-sided tape that I just bought from the store, so it doesn't really matter. It's just whatever double-sided tape you may have lying around. It's just so it can fit snugly on the compartment. Just make sure the replacement battery fits okay so it doesn't move, rattle, or disconnect when it's cleaning. Here I went ahead and give it a little bit of cleanup to the wipers, because why not? This way the video has that little bit of SAMR or whatever it's called. So anyway, back to the vacuum. Here's a snag I got into when I was building it back up. You get the 5 screws down, this is the easy part, but then you gotta take a look at the wipers. I know, this is taking me a while, and you'll see why. Couldn't make the last wiper fit, and as you can see, this is why. The holes of the wipers are different, so you can make up which one is the left from the right. So that took me around like 15 minutes. So I went ahead and put the remaining screws, and boom, the vacuum lit right up. So I just gave it some time so it could charge to 100%, and I gave it a spin, and as you wouldn't believe, it's still 45% battery at 84 minutes of duration of the session. So it was pretty great results versus what was happening before. At the last time, it was only 45 minutes before it died. So 45% remaining battery is amazing results. We just have to see in the long run if this was a good purchase, because as you know, it's a Chinese knockoff battery. So it's kind of a gamble how much it's going to last. But in the meantime, I'm pretty happy with the results. So hope you liked this video. If the video was useful for you, drop me a like, drop me a comment, and if you can, please subscribe. It helps the channel a lot. If you have any questions, please let me know. See you in the next time.